Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss about adverb class, 10th class English on the questions set by Odisha BSc Board under the patronage of Odisha School and Mass Education in the name of the book Parikha Darpana. So let's begin with the phrase adverb class. So what is the adverb class? If a class begins with any of the adverbs, there are so many adverbs. Adverbs is called adverb class. So adverb class means kriya visheshana upavakya. So adverbs are after, before, when, whenever, while, as soon as, since, till, until, once, where, as if, as though, how, so that, in order that, because, then, though, although, no matter, why, if, whether, unless, however, even. These are the adverbs. These are the adverbs, or they are also called subordinators, you know. So, if a sentence begins with after it is called after a clause, or that is adverb clause. So, there are different types of adverbs. What are they? So, time adverbs. After, before, when, whenever, while, as soon as, by, since, till, until, once. Place, where, wherever, everywhere. Manner adverb, as adjective adverb, as if, as though, how. Purpose, so that, in order that. Reason, because, as, since, etc. Comparison, then, as adjective adverb, as. Concession, although, though, even though, however, no matter, how, whether it. Condition, if, unless, provided, supposing. These are the conditional adverbs. Similarly, these are the types of adverbs given above the list. Now, let's see types of clauses. You know, as per use of conjunctions. That means conjunctions are of two types, coordinators and subordinators. The coordinators general are used in compound sentences, sometimes mixed sentence, and subordinators are used in complex sentences. So here, if there are two types of clauses, a subordinate clause has three names. A subordinate clauses are of three types. One is noun clause, another relative or adjective clause, and the last one is adverb clause. So if the clause is after preposition, objective preposition, in subject position, in object position, in opposition case, it is called noun clause. Similarly, if the clause is just after the noun, it refers to is a relative clause or adjective clause. 3. If the clause begins with an adverb or WH word and not object to preposition, not in subject position, not in object position, that is called adverb clause. So now let's move. Name the adverb clause in the following sentence. Yes, list is here. What did I say? List is here. You mark the name of the adverbs that are used. We have already discussed different types of adverbs, right? Yes, this is the types of adverbs. Could understand? So, name the adverb clause in the following sentence. Unless you work hard, you won't get a good mark. Here, adverb unless is used, and unless is conditional clause. So, here the adverb that is used is a conditional. So, right answer is B. Correct? Yes. Right answer is B. Right answer is B. Next. Next one is they studied hard although they were tired. Here mark although, concession. Yes, concession although. So right answer 2 is, tell me.
Number B.
Number B. Right, thank you. The next one is, tell me. Which one? The pupils worked harder than we thought. The pupils worked then is used. So what is the then? Comparison. Then is a comparison. Number C is correct. Right?
Yes.
Comparison. Tulona. Number B is correct. Number 3, B is correct. Thank you. You reminded me. You. Next one is do it as your teacher showed you. As is used. Number 4, C. That is manner. Here manner adverb as is used. Right? Right. As. Manner. Yes. Next one is tell me. We keep food in a fridge so that it remains fresh. So that. Yes, tell me. B. That is B. Purpose. So that purpose. Right. Next one is as the weather is fine, we should enjoy it. So number 6 is D. You know that is D. Region. This is region. Look at the list. Region. Region adverbs. Okay. Next one is 7. People followed him wherever he went. Yes, wherever. Place adverb.
Yes.
Could understand? So number B is correct.
Yes.
Number B is correct. Because it refers to place, so it is place adverb. Similarly, the words which refers to time is a time adverb. The words which refer to place is sorry. The words which refer to time are called time adverb. The words which refer to place are called place adverbs. Could understand? So, if you study hard, you will be successful. Here, if is used, if is conditional. Okay. So, which is correct? Tell me. Which is correct? Conditional. That means B, 8B.
Conditional.
8B. 8B. Next one is my uncle came when I was reading a book. When refers to time, so it is what? When means time adverb. Time adverb. 9A. Yes, time adverb. Next one is he worked so hard that he fell ill. Which is correct? 10. C. C is that is result. Yes, result.
Region.
Region. Yes. No, result. Result. Next is equal to take an umbrella lest it should rain. So number 11 is called that is D. Purpose. Purpose. Next 11. Yes, 11 D. Next one is even if rains, I shall go to school. A. Manner. B. Place. C. Concession. D. Time. Which is correct? C. Concession. Next one is fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. He wept days he were a child. So se kandila satte jepari pila bhaliya kandila. Satte jepari means as if. 13 is C. Okay.
Yes.
13 is C. Next one is forgive as. What did I say? Forgive as. Forgive as. Forgive us days. We forgive our enemies. Next A. That is question number 14. Wait. Let's see. What is that? Number 14. Age, that is age, not B. This is age. Okay. So, forgive us, आम क्षमा कर. We forgive our enemies. आम आम शत्रु मान को क्षमा करो. So 14 is correct A as. जेपरी आम आम शत्रु मान को क्षमा करू आमको मध्य से भली क्षमा कर. नेक्स्ट 15 डेस इज पुर ही इज ऑनेस्ट डो ही इज पुर ही इज ऑनेस्ट. सो राइट आंसर इज 15. 15 इज कोल्ड इज yes tell me D do correct 15 is D.
I see 9.
Okay, we shall write here. Could understand? Not necessary, but we shall write here. Could understand? That is C. Okay, that is
See.
C.
If.
Yeah, C. That is if. Okay. Next one is 16. He spoke, just 1 minute. He spoke in such a low voice, few could hear him. A after B, that C as if D even though. So 16 number is this is voice, such a voice. Yes. Yes. Which is correct? 16 number B. That. A no, this is wrong. B is correct, right?
Yes.
Right answer B. He spoke in such a low voice that few could hear him. Next one is 17. This road we take, we shall be too late. Too late, that is too late. Could understand? It is not A, this is late. L. Okay. So A, whichever, B, whatever, C, however, D, which. So 17, correct answer is A. जो रास्ता रे गले मध्य आमर डेरी हब. So this is whichever is the correct. 18, I won't pay this, I won't pay it. 18, that is number 18, pay it, days. I want to pay it, days. 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 He sends me the bill again. So A, if B, unless C, unless means jodi nahi. C, before, purbaru, D, where. So 18 is equal to B, that is unless. Jodi nahi. I want to pay it, ମୁଁ ଏହା ଦେବି ନାହିଁ. ଇ unless he sends me the bill again. ମୋତେ ଯଦି ବିଲ୍ ନ ପଠାଉଛି, ଯଦି ନାହିଁ ପଠାଉ ନାହିଁ, ଯଦି ପଠାଉ ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଦେବିନି. ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ tell me which number? 19. He was not there. I spoke to his brother. 19. 19 is equal to days he was. Could understand? That is days. Days he was not there. I spoke to his brother. As when. B if. As D. C as D where. So right answer is C. ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ନଥିଲା ମୁଁ ତା ଭାଇ ସହିତ କଥା ହେଲି. So age is correct. Next one is that is we eat days we may live. We eat days we may live. A so that. B as. C because. D if. So correct answer is that is A so that. ଆମେ ଖାଉ ଯାରି ଫଳରେ ଆମେ ବଞ୍ଚିବା. So that ଯାରି ଫଳରେ. Next they can stay. They can stay. What did I say? They can stay. They can stay. Days. Just 1 minute. Yes, days. They are. So they can stay. When, where, although, then. So they can stay where they are. The right answer is B. 21B. Right?
Yes.
21B. Right? Next one is that is no sooner did he see us days he appeared when B, where, C, then, D, THEN, then. So 22 is the correct answer is C, that is then. No sooner did he see us, then no, it is which number 22? Then no sooner did he see us, then he disappeared.
THAN, THEN.
But correct answer is D. Then is not. No sooner did he see us, then he disappeared. No sooner.
22.
No sooner than. No sooner than. So C is correct. No sooner than. Okay. Right. Next one is so a if clause. If clause is otherwise known as a conditional clause. A conditional clause has two parts. One is if clause, another is main clause. So the sentence which begins with if is called if clause. Could understand? And the other is main clause. So the if clause and main clause, the verb in if clause and the verb in main clause has an agreement. Could understand? If there is no verb in if clause and refers to general truth, we do not use any verb in main clause. Could understand? Similarly, if a clause has no verb in if any if clause has no verb, could understand? Helping verb. I am talking about helping verb. Helping verb, and it refers to general truth, and that we generally use will and would. If past tense, we use in main clause past tense. If present tense, we use will, present modal. Next, if had is used in if clause followed by noun, we use would in main clause. If had is used with verb in main clause, we use would have. Zero means no helping verb. Here zero means no helping verb. Could understand or not? So these are the pattern of if clause. So let's choose a suitable main clause, subordinate clause, and complete the sentence. If I had wings. If I had wings, more jodi dena thanta, dena thile kon kara jaye? Mu udanti. So I would have, so had is followed by noun. So in the main clause we shall use would. So mark that C is. Would have is wrong. So in B there is no would. In C there is would. So C is correct. I would fly in the sky. Which is correct? Tell me 23. Yes, see? Right? Could understand? କାହିଁକି ହେଲା ଯେହେତୁ ହେଡ୍ ପରେ ନାଉନ୍ ଅଛି ତାର ଘଡ଼ିଟା ମେନ୍ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ହେଲା ଉଡ୍ ଏଣୁକରି ଦିସ୍ ଇଜ୍ କରେକ୍ଟ ଏରେ ହେଡ୍ ଅଛି ବଟ୍ ଉଡ୍ ହେବେ ଅଛି ସୋ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ନଟ୍ କରେକ୍ଟ ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ସିମିଲାର ଇଜ୍ ଇଫ୍ ୟୁ had taken here mark that head is followed by verb, right? So we should use would have in a main clause. So let's see, you Billy, here Billy is used wrong, here would have is you would have secured a good mark, you secured D is wrong. So right answer is C. Which one? 24.
Yes.
24 C. Right? Because would have been used. Sorry, would have is used. Next one is if I were a lion. If I were a lion, it's where its partner is would. So leave it. I will. No, it is wrong. B. I would live in the forest. C. I would have is used. C is not correct. So B is correct because the partner of where is would. So B is correct. Right? Next. Had I known her address. Had I known means if I had. Had I known means if I had known her address. Had known. Had No, no. So head plus a verb, its partner in main clause is would have or could have. So here in number A there is could have. In other options there is no that pattern. So right answer is A. 26 26 A. Correct answer is A. Next one is if you heat ice, this is general truth. So no helping help verb is necessary in many class. Will in A will is there, it is wrong. It would, it is wrong because would also helping verb. No, D it would have been melted, it is wrong. So right answer is B, it melts. Could understand? 27B.
Yes.
Okay. Next one is if wishes are horses, beggars would ride them. Where? So personality would. So beggars would. Where? C is correct. D is not correct because would have is not correct. Would is correct. Could understand? आम कौन शिखिले जदि जेनेल ट्रुथ होता इफ क्लासटा हेल्पिंग वर्ब किसी लगे जीरो जीरो रदि फ्यूचर बुझौथब जेनेल फ्यूचर बुझौथब इफ क्लास हेल्पिंग वर्ब लगे मेन क्लास विल लगे और वुड लगे पास्ट टेंस वुड लगे जदि इफ क्लास वेर अच्छी मेन क्लास वुड लगे जदि इफ क्लास हेड अच्छी किंतु तापर नाउन अच्छी बोले एपटे वुड लगे किंतु इफ क्लास जदि वुड सॉरी हेड आउ भर्ब अच्छी माने मेन क्लास वुड हेब लगे दिस इज these are the laws. So next 9 days I will not attend his party if he did not. Will is present tense, so if clause should be present tense, so one is past tense, it is wrong. If he would, this is also past tense, wrong. If he does not leave invite me, D if he invited, D is also wrong. So right answer is 29C.
Yes.
Right. Next one is 30 days if expense. So if you will heat iron, if class generally will lageni, it is wrong. If you would heat iron, helping verb lagichi, it is wrong. If you heat iron, yes, it is correct. If you had, no, D is also not correct. If class re, so if you heat iron, C is correct. It is general truth. No helping verbs are necessary both in if and also if clause and also main clause. The diagram dakar nahi. Simple is rahijibo. Okay. Next one is 31 days you could have understood. Could have ବ୍ୟବହାର କରାଯାଇଛି main clause ରେ ତାର partner ଟା ହେଉଛି head verb. Let's see. If you will read, this is wrong. If you had read the lesson, perhaps it is right. If you read the lesson, it is wrong because there is no head. If you do not, this is wrong. So right answer is B, 31B.
Yes.
କାହିଁକି ତା ଘଡ଼ିଟା ଉଡ଼େଇବାର ଘଡ଼ିଟା ହେଉଛି head verb. ଏଇଠି ଅଛି B ରେ, and that is right. Okay. Next one is I wish days I am a king. Wish ଏଇଟା ସଦାବେଳେ past tense ରହିଯିବ. I am a king present tense. I were a king. I shall be a king. I can be. So correct answer is B.
B.
32B. Could understand? Next one is pick out the sentence which has an adverb clause. We want to get up until the bus stops. Could understand? So the number A is the adverb clause. B, that the earth is round. That the earth is round. That the earth is round has been provided. This is the subject position, so it is a noun clause. What you say is correct. What you say is also in a subject position. This is a noun clause. All that glitters is not gold. This is related. That glitters is, this is a relative clause. Could understand? So right answer is, which is the right answer? I told you the right answer is A. A is the right answer. This is the sentence having adverb clause. Okay, done. Next one is we. So that we may reap. B. He died in the village where he was born. So this is a relative clause. B is a relative clause. Could understand? Because it's villages, relative pronoun is where. Could understand? So it is just after the noun it refers to. So it is a relative clause. It is certain that he will help me. See, that he help me, it is a noun clause. D. Slow and steady means this is a simple sentence. So number 1 is correct. 24 number A is correct. So adverb number 34, 34 A because the adverb so that is used. Could understand? Next one is 35. What did I say? The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. This is a compound sentence. My own recollection is the only thing the earth. No. This is relative clause. Zero relative. So it is zero. Relative pronoun is used. So it is relative clause. So it is not having with the adverb clause. Next one is my own recollection is that. That clause is just after verb, it is a noun clause. The sentence is having with a noun clause. C. He was popular among the boys as he was a disciplinarian. Here, mark that as is used as is an adverb and also subordinated. So it is this sentence C is having with the adverb clause. Let's see whether D is what is D. I tried to improve mine, but this is a compound sentence because so coordinator is used, but coordinator is used. So right answer is C.
Yes.
Could understand?
Yes.
C. Right. Next one is I could never repair the neglect my youth. This is a simple sentence. As soon as I entered the 6th, I became disheartened. Here as soon as is used. So right answer is B. Correct answer is B. Let's see. C is I. Let's see C. That is I saw that a mouth. Here that clause is just after verb. It is a noun clause. Next one is let's see. Mark the number 8. I had no watch and the cloud will disturb me. Subordinated and is used. Could understand? And is used. So it is a compound sentence. So 36. The right answer is B. Could understand? Right answer B.
B.
With this, that is the end of today's grammar class. We shall discuss the other grammar points in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.
It's okay.